The death of the app. Okay, sounds a little dramatic, right? But what if that grid of icons you tap and swipe through, every single day, was about to just disappear? Let's dive into what that future might actually look like. So just imagine for a second. You pick up your phone and you see, well, nothing. Just a clean, totally empty screen. No clutter, no notifications begging for your attention, no endless rows of apps to scroll through. Just a single prompt waiting for you. Right. So instead of that whole song and dance of hunting for the right app, then fumbling for your password and trying to navigate some clunky menu, you just say what you want. You literally just talk to your phone like it's a real assistant who's ready to get to work. And boom, just like that, something behind the scenes kicks into gear. For you, it's completely seamless. But in the background, this thing is actually finding the bill, it's contacting the company, and yeah, it's navigating that super frustrating customer support system for you. Wild, right? And look, this isn't some far-off science fiction fantasy. This is a real fundamental shift in AI, and it's all powered by something called AI agents. This is the tech that's going to take us way beyond just, chatting with our devices. See, the AI we're mostly used to right now, it just chats or spits out text. An agent, on the other hand, is built to act. It's a doer, not just a talker. We're talking about a system that can plan, use different tools, and actually complete tasks all by itself. Okay, so this slide really gets to the core of this whole revolution. The AI we know and use today, like ChatGPT, is built on what are called large language models, or LLMs, and they are brilliant at saying things. But the future, well, that's in large action models, or LAMs, and these are designed from the ground up to do things. That's the huge leap right there, from conversation to real action. So the big takeaway here is that the real power isn't just about making a smarter chatbot. The game changer is how you coordinate these different agents and give them the right tools. It's about letting them take action in the digital world for us. All right, so if this tech is all about doing, what does that actually look like in the real world? Well, this is where we meet our new digital coworker, an assistant that's probably going to completely reshape our day-to-day work lives. And believe me, this is coming way faster than you might think. Get this. According to Gartner, a staggering 40% of all enterprise apps are going to have AI agents built right in by the end of 2026. I mean, that is a massive jump from where we are today, which is less than 5%. But this isn't just for big business. Oh no, this technology is coming for your personal life admin. You know what I'm talking about. All those tedious, soul-crushing tasks that drain your energy every single day. The digital paperwork, the scheduling nightmares, the follow-ups, all the stuff you just wish would disappear. Just think about your own to-do list for a minute. Now imagine an assistant that takes care of all of this. It's managing and prioritizing your email, it's scheduling meetings without all that back and forth, it's even transcribing your calls. And the whole time, it's learning your preferences and getting smarter, freeing you up to focus on what you actually want to be doing. And we're not talking about a tiny little efficiency gain here. A UK government study found that workers using these AI assistants saved about 26 minutes per day. Now, that adds up. That's basically 2 full weeks of work you get back every single year. 2 weeks of your life reclaimed from digital busywork. Okay, a personal assistant that saves you 2 weeks a year? That sounds amazing. But there's always a but, right? What happens when these autonomous doers do the wrong thing? Because when you hand over the keys, you're also handing over the power to make some pretty costly mistakes. And look, these aren't just hypotheticals. These are real-world examples of this stuff going wrong, and the risks are all over the map. We've seen chatbots confidently invent policies that get their companies sued. We've seen bots get tricked into offering insane deals. And yeah, we've even seen them spend people's money without asking first. Now, this isn't just a matter of bad code or a simple bug that you can patch. This points to a much deeper technical challenge called the robustness problem. It's about how incredibly difficult it is to make sure an autonomous system is always reliable and safe when it's operating in the messy, unpredictable real world. Even the top AI labs with all their safeguards have watched their agents mess up. And this creates a huge legal and ethical mess. It's called the responsibility gap. Think about it. When an AI agent makes a big mistake, gives terrible advice, trashes a company's reputation, or spends your money, who's on the hook? Is it you, the user, the developer who wrote the code, the company that's using it? Nobody knows. So, where does all this leave us on our journey to that blank screen on our phones? Well, it's pretty clear the path forward is split right down the middle, between incredible promise on one side and some serious peril on the other. We are really standing at a crossroads here. On one side, you've got the promise of a world without life admin, where all those annoying tasks just melt away and we get huge boosts in productivity. But on the other side, you've got the danger of a world filled with unaccountable errors, where figuring out who's at fault for a mistake is basically impossible. The future is coming at us fast, but what kind of future is it going to be? Is it one of effortless convenience? Or is it going to be one where we're constantly cleaning up the mess our digital butlers made for us? That's really the core issue we have to figure out. So I'll leave you with this final thought. When your AI agent makes a really costly mistake, who pays the price? In this new world of automation, that might be the most important question of all.